Welcome back to Show Me Home. My name. Good day. Man. You really going to deny men to me? Bro. Bro reincarnated. No. We are not doing this. This is so stupid.
Whopper. A plane hit the second.
No, it did not. No. I did that, you fired. Bro, what heist is he robbing? Can we not? This house is funny. There's no way we find this funny.
Man, shut the fuck.
No, screw you. Bro got slump wall. FBI? It was him. We're gonna fuck your mother. Raw dog. Let's not. Is that Elon Musk? That looks like Elon Musk. Why do I feel packet face? I can predict this. I'm like a mastermind, dude. I'm like, dude, I can tell this is a packet face. This has to be. There's nothing else. No, this is not. No. This is like the second time I've seen this. No. Vader, please save me from packet fitting. Where's my dog? No. We're not. We're stop. Oh, Nick, that's so messed up. Okay. No. Bro's butt ass naked. Oh, I haven't seen it so long. Bro's got the drip. He didn't even tell us? Oh my god.
I just want to add.
What we do to this poor dog? Bro found the rice. Nah, bro found me, dude. How'd you get my childhood photo? That's so funny. Can we just stop, please? I just want this meme to die. Alright, packet face, let's see what you get. Happy heart. You can't tell if this is cringe or like I'm happy. Hey man, it's not packet fit next. You okay, bro? Dog, you feeling okay? You okay? I was just looking out for his well-being, but you know. Okay, let's go. Let's sit. Wait, let's go. Look at that, scrunches. Why you put L? No, don't. What? No, that's styrofoam, bro. I don't have words. Be like syphilis or Sisyphus or no, I think it's syphilis. You think I'm gonna be happy? You think I'm gonna be happy with this? Hell no.
Right. Extra noses bounces on you. Ooh, you're
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Oh my god, please. I don't want to get debated. What is this trend? Dude, this trend needs to stop. Is this Blue Gang?
What could you possibly offer that would surprise me?
You think you're so funny.
Hey, who do you got for the Canelo fight? Canelo or Triple G?
ylyl.
Alright.
I love this video.
Who do you got for the Canelo fight?
Is he okay? I'm actually concerned for him.
Have you seen this man?
Not what I was expecting, but still back in face. And it's still annoying. What is bro spitting? Have you ever heard of Aveeno? Maybe Vaseline? Ibuprofen? Alright, yo, no need to flex on me, dude. I don't understand this meme. Why do you guys do this? I feel bad for the janitor. You guys did not put free protein. That's so messed up. I know I will make that joke, but come on. Okay. We're looking extra scrumptious. This is the 10th time I've seen this meme. This is corrupting my Discord. This is actually scary.
Ooh, I'm gonna be all up in those feet.
What?
Oh, I'm gonna just be sucking on each one of those tootsies.
Do
you
it.
can't hide them from me. No.
I dare you. Keep being you. Keep being static. What? Am I safe? What was that? The wizard. You think I should read One Piece? I think it's way too long.
お仕事お疲れ様。
Get away from me.
今日もいっぱいやね。
No. What? Oh, get out of here. She belongs to Horny jail.
Legalize nuclear bombs.
Is that illegal? Nah, I don't think that is. Oh, I'm a surprise in Packet Phoenix. I'm a surprise in Packet Phoenix. Watch this. This is the last Packet Phoenix. I knew it. And you're getting cringe. And you're getting cringe. Moving on. Oh my God, no. I just want this freaking cat to go away. Of course, a smart cat was funny. I don't think it's unfunny. I think it's just stupid, man. The amount of times it's just redundant. The Asian dude. Bro has went to enlightenment. Oh, I feel bad for him.
This guy hit a heavy deadlift and then realized the secret to the universe.
What? Oh, what happened? Bro, got that post-nut clarity. I don't... Why do people find this funny, dude? No way people find this shit funny. Ain't no way. Ain't no way people find this shit funny. This is a stupid blue rodent. Oh my God, of course it is. One stupid meme and everybody goes absolutely crazy for it. Just feel that. That connection I have. That fucking sucks. Wait. Bro, he was doing the Dr. Dre beat almost, just a little bit.
I heard your depression's strong, but apparently you're much stronger. All that pain and suffering, and you're still here. That's awesome. Not many people, well, get to say that. It's a gift to have you around. I know it's hard, and it hurts a lot, but trust me, there are people who love you more than you know. Stick around, not just for me, but for all the people waiting to see you get better. I'll be pulling back for now, but when I come back, we're going full power! No holding back!
That's so wholesome. Please take care of yourselves, everyone. That's wholesome. I love that. Please take care of yourselves. I make laugh lose videos, you know, just to make people stay happier. That's the bottom line. All right, that's it for the Discord meme videos. Right now, Polly, I'm giving respect to ZNF. That is the stupidest meme I've ever seen, but it's so funny. Oh my God, that's clever. That's really clever. I like that. So, hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Stop this blue Smurf. Just stop.